You've talked to ChatGPT. It writes, it codes, it answers. But what if an AI could not just talk to you, but act for you? What if it could plan, adapt, and execute complex tasks across apps, tools, and even the physical world? That's not just a chatbot anymore. That's Agentic AI, and it's the revolutionary leap beyond conversational models like ChatGPT. Let's start with the basics. Traditional AI, like what you're used to with ChatGPT or image generators, is reactive. You ask something, it answers. You give a prompt, it creates. But Agentic AI is proactive. It doesn't just respond. It sets goals, makes plans, and executes them, sometimes entirely without human input after the initial setup. This means AI that can schedule your week, monitor your emails for specific actions, book travel, update your Notion dashboards, send follow-ups, manage your customer support, and do it all while adapting to changing conditions. The secret behind Agentic AI lies in its ability to chain tasks together. You might hear about this as task orchestration or autonomous agents. The idea is simple. One action leads to the next, just like how a human would think through a task. Planning, acting, learning, and trying again, all without your direct involvement. Now let's talk tools. One of the most talked about platforms in this space is AutoGPT. It's an open source project that turns GPT into a fully fledged agent. You tell it a goal, say, research the top 5 competitors for my startup and give me a marketing plan. And it breaks that down into tasks, runs them step by step, and gives you a comprehensive result. But as powerful as AutoGPT is, it's just the beginning. Another tool you need to know is AgentGPT, which runs entirely in the browser. With a few clicks, you can assign goals and let the agent explore the web, analyze data, and synthesize results. And then there's LangChain, a framework that developers use to connect large language models with memory, APIs, databases, and real-time reasoning. But now let's add a lesser-known tool that's exploding in usefulness for agentic workflows, N8N. N8N is like Zapier on steroids. It's an open-source automation platform that lets you visually create workflows connecting hundreds of services: Gmail, Google Sheets, Discord, Notion, APIs, databases, anything. But what makes it powerful for Agentic AI is its flexibility. You can plug an AI agent into N8N and give it a decision-making brain. That agent can receive inputs, analyze them, and decide what workflow to run, even adapting logic as it goes. Need a smart customer service pipeline? Want AI to handle your lead generation and follow-up? N8N plus Agentic AI lets you build it. And it's not just for coders. N8N has a visual interface that makes setting up these automations accessible, even if you're not a developer. Combine that with GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini, and you suddenly have a no-code platform for creating AI-powered agents. Now, why does this matter? The future of work is not just about using AI to assist you. It's about delegating entire jobs to AI agents. Think of them as digital employees. They don't sleep, don't get tired, and can run 24/7. A single entrepreneur can scale like a 10-person team. A business can run leaner. A startup can prototype and test 100x faster than before. For example, imagine an AI agent that scans your customer feedback, identifies top complaints, drafts product improvement suggestions, and schedules a team meeting, all while integrating with Slack, Notion, Google Calendar, and Jira. That's not the future. That's happening now. We're also starting to see use cases in personal productivity. Students use agentic workflows to summarize research papers, generate citations, organize their study calendar, and even answer practice questions intelligently. Professionals are building personalized assistants that manage their entire inbox, CRM systems, or sales funnels. And this is only scratching the surface. As we look to the next few years, Agentic AI is poised to become the operating layer of our digital lives. AI will stop being a single tool you use occasionally and start becoming an invisible layer that manages your information, tasks, workflows, and decisions across every device, every app, every ecosystem. Businesses will shift from hiring for every role to designing agents that augment or even replace repetitive white-collar jobs. Entire industries, customer service, research, consulting, data entry, executive assistance, could be radically changed. But it's not just about replacing jobs. It's about enabling new types of creativity and productivity that were never possible before. A single content creator could manage an entire media pipeline, from ideation to scripting, editing, publishing, and distribution, just by directing a team of AI agents. And here's the thing. This evolution isn't years away. It's happening right now. If you're not experimenting with agentic AI tools like AutoGPT, LangChain, AgentGPT, or N8N, you might be missing out on the most important tech transformation of the decade. Just like websites changed business in the 2000s or mobile apps in the 2010s, AI agents are the new frontier. So don't think of ChatGPT as the final form. It's just the gateway. The future isn't just conversational, it's agentic. And if you want to dive deeper into how to build your own AI agents step by step, make sure to check out my next video where I break down how to combine GPT-4, N8N, and a few free APIs to create your first personal assistant. If this helped you, drop a like or a thank you in the comments. It really helps me keep going and share even more with you. Thanks for watching and stay ahead of the curve. Ask ChatGPT.